Welcome to Module 16, Lesson 2, Constructing Frequency Tables. So today we're going to create a two-way frequency table. So first we're going to look at a one-way frequency table. It's got one variable. All right, so the numbers listed below are the test scores for this class, for a class, from the last unit test. Create a frequency table to represent the data. So it's not actually our class, it's a different class, but get the idea. So the test score is the only variable, okay? Now I'm going to look at A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's. So A's are 90 to 100, B's, C's, D's, and anywhere 0 to 59 would be an F. So I'm going to look at my data. How many times did the 90% show up? Well, that was 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 80 to 89, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70s, there's 10 there. 3 60s, and 1 F. So how many people took the test? Well, we can count them up, or we could add these numbers up. They add to 25. So that's a one-way frequency table. We can get something out of that. So we can look at what percent of students scored an A. Well, 4 got an A out of the 25 that took it. So 4 out of 25 would be 16%. So you do 4 divided by 25, you get 0.16, times that by 100, you get 16%. So 16% of people got an A. 7 out of 25 would be 28%. So 28% got a B. Try to figure out how many got a C. Hopefully you got that pretty quickly. Complete the table. You get 40 for C's, 12% got a D, and 1 or 4% got an F. Okay, now we're going to look at two-way frequency tables. Okay, so we surveyed students and asked which subject area is their favorite between math, English, and science. But this time we tracked the data according to grade level. So we got two variables going on here, math, English, science, so subject level or subject area. And the other one is the grade level. So we got two variables going. That's the bivariate data. So let's gather the data. Well, we got it. Ninth graders surveyed, 50 liked math, 40 liked English, and 60 liked science. Put those in the right columns. If I add those up, there were 50 plus 40 plus 60 is 150 ninth graders surveyed. 10th graders, 65 like math, 30, and 70. Put them in the right spot. They add them up, you get 165. 58, 28, 65. Okay, add those up. And 12th graders, similar. Now, how many students liked math? So then you would add up the column that has math. So 50 plus 65 plus 58 plus 47. Okay, you get 220. English, you can do the same thing. Science, the same thing. Now, one thing that's good to check, this is going to be the end of our video here, is add up the total number of students. It should be 612. And then add up the total people that like math, the total people that liked English, and the total people that like science. And that also should add up to 612. That shows that each person voted once and everybody voted. Next lesson, we're going to start to use this data. But for now, that's the end of lesson 2.